Halo semuanya, annyeonghaseyo, ni hao, hola. Hi everyone, welcome to easybahasa.id. If you are foreigners and you want to learn basic Indonesian, congrats, you come to the right channel. On my previous videos, I already explained about numbers and alphabets. You can go check the link on the description box. In this video, I am going to explain about months of the year. Alright, if you are familiar with months of the year in English, it will be easier for you to learn them in Indonesian language because they are pretty much alike. There are only some adjustments in Indonesian spelling and pronunciation. Anyway, please follow the lesson well and make sure you memorize the new words because there will be a quick quiz to check if you have memorized months of the year in Indonesian well. Okay, let's start. January, Januari. February, Februari. March, Maret. April, April. May, May. June, Juni. July, Juli. August, Agustus. September, September. October, October. November, November. December, December. Now, I assume that every one of you remember the order of months of the year in English or your own language very well. So I just want to focus on Indonesian version. Now please repeat after me. Januari. Your turn. Februari. Maret. April. Mei. Juni. Juli. Agustus. September. Oktober. November. Desember. Very good. Now let's do it faster. Ready? Go. Januari. Februari. Maret. April. Mei. Juni. Juli. Agustus. September. Oktober. November. December. Well done! Have you memorized them? You may pause or replay the video to practice and memorize them. Because as what I said previously, there will be a quick quiz that you can have to make sure you memorize them well. If you are ready, you may have the quiz now. There will be 5 questions. Please mention how do you say these words in Indonesian language. Number 1, March. Your answer? Number 2, August. Your answer? Number 3, April. Your answer? Number 4, July. Your answer? The last one, January. Your answer? Okay, now let's go and check the answers. Number 1, Maret. Number 2, Agustus. Number 3, April. 4, Juli. 5, January. Did you answer all of them correctly? Excellent! If you didn't, it is okay. You can just practice more by replaying the video. You may also pause it whenever you need to slow down. Well, that's all for now. If you find it helpful for you, please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification button so that whenever I have new video uploaded, you can know right away. And everyone, if you want to learn something else, numbers, alphabets, or others, please go check the link on my description box. See you on other videos. Selamat belajar!